After every present she opened, I had to put it together. She got mad when I couldn't do that all day.
Ow! You okay?
Man, it's time to go in now.
Push her up the hill.
Don't get all dirty. Don't get all dirty.
Gianna, use your feet and push it up the hill first.
Want me to show you?
You are too big. You will break that.
Just push her on.
No, I'm showing her.
Oh.
Look, put your feet right here. Okay.
One foot reaches and the other one, when it goes far, doesn't. Okay, push with your feet.
Push it. Push. Come on. Put your feet up.
Keep your feet
Put your feet up.
Where is your mother-in-law?
Push that foot. Now push. Push him. Push. You gotta push, silly. They can't reach it?
Elijah.
Okay. Push that foot. Elijah. I got it. I know. Put your feet up.
How did you get here, Ashley?
And you gotta turn.
Oh.